So I was trying to open Kali Linux in VirtualBox, and out of nowhere it just stopped working. It worked perfectly before, but suddenly it shows aborted, goes black for a few seconds, and then closes itself. No error message, no warning. If this is happening to you, don't worry. The fix is actually super simple. So what's happening is virtualization got disabled in the BIOS. That's why Kali won't start. Here's how to fix it. First, restart your PC. While it's restarting, keep pressing the delete key on your keyboard. This will take you into the BIOS. Now, once you're in the BIOS, go to the Advanced tab, then click on CPU configuration. Inside that, look for an option called SVM mode. For me, it was disabled, and that's exactly why this issue happened. All you need to do is enable SVM mode. After that, click Save Changes and Exit. Now, let your PC boot normally. Open VirtualBox, start Kali again. It might still say aborted, but just click Start anyway. Kali Linux will open normally, no black screen, no crash. That's it. Simple fix, but super annoying issue. If this helps you, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.